Hey guys, in this video I wanted to show you how to close the angles of the star ornament with wooden beads. As you can see, I already did 4 of the angles, and the last one I left to actually show you how I'm doing it. So you want to take the angle and separate by 2 the cords. In the center, you will have 2 left as well. You want to take these 2 and make sure the ends are matching. Then twist. Take the bead. Try to pull them through and keep twisting the bead, so that would allow the cords to go through even easier. Then pull. Take the star and make sure the cords are straight in here. And pull. Looks good. Next step. You want to take the cord to your left hand side, and it would be the first one will be the holding cord, and next one we will use to create 3 double hitch knots. I'm using here not a macrame cord, this is cotton yarn. And while you're creating the knots, you want to make sure they are tight and even. Okay. And the last one on this side. This is ready. The same we want to repeat on our right side. This is the first cord that we will be using as a holding cord. We are taking the second one and start creating 3 double hitch knots on this side too. Remember to check your knots. Okay. If you want to know how to make a simple star with just a square knot, you can go back to one of my previous videos and watch it there. Okay. And the last. Okay, looks good. Now we want to take again the left hand side holding cord and the left cord from the center and create 1 double hitch knot. Okay, we repeat the same on the right hand side. So the holding cord here and the right cord from the center. Now you want to keep holding the cord, and you want to take the left holding cord and use it to create one more double hitch knot. That way you are closing completely the angle, and that's how your finished product will be looking like here. So before cutting the cords all around the angles, you want to make sure you find two cords that you will be using as a hanging part for your ornament, and after that you can cut the edges of the ornament. If you would like to have some cords left at the end and brush them after that, you can do so. Or if you don't want any cords left at all, you can always cut them at the very end and apply some glue so the ornament stays stable and sturdy enough. If you liked this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.